Have you ever pondered how depression affects us as individuals and society? This mental health condition, known as depression, is a debilitating affliction impacting millions across the globe. It's a complex challenge, one that demands our attention and understanding. Grasping its origins, symptoms, and strategies for prevention and overcoming is crucial to creating a supportive environment. Depression is an intricate puzzle, a pervasive presence in many lives, yet, importantly, it's not insurmountable. Depression often stems from a combination of factors. It's like a tangled web, woven with threads of genetics, brain chemistry alterations, and hormonal imbalances. Traumatic life events or chronic stress can also play significant roles, adding more complexity to the mix. And let's not forget environmental factors that can contribute to the onset of this condition. It's a multifaceted challenge, but don't worry, we're here to untangle it. Knowing these origins is the first step towards a comprehensive approach. Depression is more than just feeling sad. It's a heavy cloud that hovers, often bringing lethargy, a diminished interest in once-loved activities, and changes in sleep and appetite patterns. Persistent negative thoughts can make even simple tasks feel like mountains. This daily struggle can turn life's vibrancy into shades of gray, impacting not just personal happiness, but also relationships, work performance, and overall quality of life. The impact of depression extends far beyond the individual. Can we prevent depression? Absolutely. Prevention often hinges on fostering sound coping strategies. Establishing robust social connections, staying physically active, and managing stress can all contribute significantly. If you're feeling overwhelmed, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Early identification is also vital. Recognizing the initial signs of depression can pave the way for effective intervention, preventing the condition from worsening. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding the signs and taking proactive steps, we can make a significant difference. Prevention and early identification can change the course of depression. Therapy is a powerful tool in the face of depression. There are several types of therapies available, each with its unique approach. Cognitive behavioral therapy, for instance, aids in identifying and altering negative thought patterns that fuel depression. Interpersonal therapy, on the other hand, zeroes in on improving social relationships that may contribute to depressive symptoms. In more severe cases, medication therapy might be considered. This could be antidepressants or other mood stabilizers. Remember, finding the right therapeutic approach can be a game changer. Stigma often stands as a barrier against seeking help. In our society, depression is often misunderstood, leading to prejudiced attitudes and discrimination. This stigma fosters a culture of silence, making it harder for those affected to reach out. But remember, depression is a medical condition, not a character flaw. It's time we fostered open conversations about mental health, dispelling myths and breaking down stereotypes. By doing so, we can create an empathetic space for healing. Awareness and understanding can help dismantle the stigma. Self-care plays a vital role in managing depression. Regular exercise releases endorphins, nature's mood boosters, while a good night's sleep refreshes the mind, helping to ward off negative thoughts. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals also supports mental health. Incorporating calming activities like yoga or meditation can help manage stress. Small changes, such as taking time each day for relaxation and enjoyment, can make a big difference. Embracing self-care can significantly improve depression management. No one should face depression alone. The journey towards overcoming depression is often less intimidating when accompanied by a strong support network. This network includes friends and family who provide emotional comfort and encouragement, lending an ear when needed, or simply being there. Then we have healthcare professionals, therapists, counselors, psychiatrists, who offer professional guidance and treatment. Together they form a safety net, a pillar of strength that can make the journey to recovery less daunting. Depression is a challenge, but there is always hope. Remember, recovery is not a myth, but a reality for many who have walked this path. With the right blend of treatment, a supportive network, and mindful lifestyle changes, the fog of depression can indeed lift. It's about courage to face the struggle, understanding to navigate the journey, and patience to endure the process. With courage, understanding, and patience, we can overcome depression and help others do the same.